To cut. Cut potatoes. Cut a lemon. To mix. Mix vegetables. Mix meat with salt and pepper. To choose. Choose fresh vegetables. Choose a cupcake. To add. Add salt or pepper. Add milk to your tea. To try. Try your dish. Try the cake. To put. Put the vegetables in a bowl. Put apples in a bag. To serve. Serve food to people. Serve fish with lemon. Broccoli soup. First choose fresh vegetables, broccoli, 2 potatoes, a carrot, and an onion. Next, wash the potatoes, the carrot, and the onion, and put them in a pot with water. Cook the vegetables for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, add the broccoli and cook for 5 minutes. After that, mix the vegetables and add some salt and pepper. Try your soup before you serve it. Spaghetti Bolognese. First, mix the meat with salt and pepper in a bowl. Next, add some butter to a pan. When the pan is hot, put the meat in it and cook the meat until it's brown. Then, choose the vegetables, onions, carrots, and garlic. Before you add the vegetables to the meat, cut and mix them. Put the vegetables in the pan and cook for 5 minutes. After that, add tomatoes and mix them with the meat and vegetables. Cook spaghetti in water, then serve it with the meat and vegetables. Put the vegetables in the bowl. Then mix them. Put the vegetables in the bowl. Next, mix them. Add salt and pepper before you serve the salad. Serve the salad after you add salt and pepper. First, wash the potatoes. Then, cut them into small pieces. Wash the potatoes. After that, cut them into small pieces. Try your meat before you serve it. Try your meat. After that, serve it. Cook pasta in water. Next, put some butter in it. After you cook your pasta, put some butter in it. First try your fish. Then serve it with lemon. Wash your apple before you eat it. Put the fruit in a bowl. Then, mix them. Cut the tomatoes. Next, put them in the bowl and mix with onions. First, choose fresh bananas and apples. Next, wash and cut them into small pieces. Say thank you after he brings our dinner. Can I try this cake before you put it on the table? Cut the carrots. After that, put them in a bowl, but don't add any salt or pepper.